god. Nope, you're not making it. Oh, wow. Okay, real quick, I'm just... Damn it, my space bar does not want to work right now. I just want to go back to the chorus again real quick, just for science. K-pop fans, welcome back to KCord Girls. Welcome if you're new. I'm Mark. I'm Bree. Oh, my bra. I got no limit. You know what? We're done. We're done. Hey, K-pop fans, welcome back to KCord Girls. Welcome if you are new. I'm Bree.
I'm Mer.
And today we have an unboxing. We have the KingDom's album Realize. And then with that, we are going to be watching their Flip That Coin performance video and Energy special performance video. So we're doing a 2-for-1 because we want to make sure we're extra dead. I don't know. So this is the one I got, which is the Energy version.
And I got Freedom.
Yeah. Now we did order these from Choice, and I got some freebies, which are... I kind of chuckled a little when I saw them. So, the first one, Arthur.
That's perfect.
The second one, Dan.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the second I saw it, I was like, that's fitting. Someone's like, you better, because this is what happens. This is what happens when you don't call a bias. Your potential show up in your albums.
Exactly.
Second you call a bias, they stop appearing. Oh, are all the inclusions all just on one page? That would be fantastic if they were. I think they are. Okay, do you have your inclusions? Oh god.
Yep.
Sorry. I got the chuckles today. So, do you have like a photo card that has 2?
I have a group. Mine's 3.
Okay, I have 2 of mine.
Okay.
What do you have? No.
Yep.
Oh goodness gracious. And then I have 2 solo photo cards. So just the baby.
Got Louis.
Oh, that's fit. Well, never mind. Forget what I said about biases not showing up in your albums. My bad.
Yeah.
My bad. My second one. Version.
Me too!
Oh god. Because we just... Man, this is like a nice variety of cards I've gotten all together now. And I'm like...
Right?
Okay then. Okay then. You have stickers.
Yes. Nice.
I don't know what the heck this is. It's like a little square...
It's
card?
kind of like a concept
Okay, concept photo
card, I think. Yeah. Because this is what mine looks like.
Oh, wow. See, this is one of those cases where I really wanted to get both albums, and I was trying to be responsible. I might still go get the other album, though. And then a poster. Oh, wow. Okay.
Nice.
And now we have the photo books. My first page. Wow. I'm wondering if yours is gonna have a lot of like shots from like the MV.
I think so. Nice. Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Goodness gracious. Oh wow. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. nice.
Mm-hmm.
I love Arthur's look at this one. Oh, nice. Really? Good God. Arthur's like, I'm a major issue too. Yeah, I have not denied that. Have not denied that. Okay. Wow. No.
Dillon.
Got blurry again.
Oh, come on.
There we go. He's so cute.
Right.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my God. Okay.
Uh-oh. Yup.
Nice. Sure.
Okay. Yep.
Aw.
Why does Imogen look so sad in this picture? Oh, never mind. Okay.
Well, you went from sad to sensual, so that was that was fast.
Quick change up. Oh no, he looks sad again. He's very pouty.
Don't look pouty in mine.
Nope.
Wow.
I love the group shots though. Oh my goodness.
Great.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, I love
Oh
this.
wow. Concept change. Yeah, I just got to one like that too. I really do love these like sporty outfits for the concept. It's the same one from the poster.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
really
nice.
love these concept photos.
Mine's about to go dark, as in like the performance video dark.
Oh,
I already
awesome.
know. Yeah. Yep. Here it is. See. Yeah.
Yeah, so I need to go get the other album then. Because I need both.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Oh god. Oh god.
Wow.
Oh god. Mm. Oh god. I give up. I give up. I've had enough, okay? I quit. This is... Okay. Really? Okay.
Sure.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
that's a great look. That's a great look. That's a great look.
That's a fantastic look. Yep. Good God.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we did.
I quit with this group. I'm so done with them. I'm so done with all of them.
Oh, wow.
Okay. I just...
Cool.
This is just funny because I swear we've had one of our KCord sent pictures in chat this morning in our KingDom channel and was like, "So free, you decided yet?" Goodness gracious, this was not the day for that question.
Right?
Okay.
Oh man, I love the group photo. That was
Right.
Oh, okay. Nice. Oh my god, sir. I'm sorry I looked at anybody else. My god, calm down.
Wow.
Okay. Cool.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Sir. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh god, I love these group photos.
Right?
And then I'm at my last page with the CD.
Oh, I got one last.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to go buy the other album too, because I need both. I definitely need both. Goodness gracious. I should have just bought both right at the get-go, like I thought I should have done. I was trying to be responsible. See how well that went. Oh, goodness gracious. That was, both of those were a lot. Both of those albums are.
Yeah.
This group is a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel like I know who my bias is, and then I have like a really, really strong wrecker, and then more wreckers, and I feel like I know, but I'm very scared to say anything.
I think I know who your bias is, but I don't know. I don't know. There was a different group where I thought you were leaning one way, and I was like, oh, never mind. So,
Yeah. Oh no. Just gonna see how this goes. We still have to get through the performance videos, so. Yeah. But before we do, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more. What else, Mer?
hit that bell.
Also, reach out to us on our socials, come chat, hang out, talk with us in Discord, and you can check out our exclusive reactions on Patreon. We're also live streaming on Twitch Fridays through Sundays. We are watching Make 1, F4, Thailand Boys Over Flowers, and Brainworks. And then we also have merch. And links for everything are in the description below. And now we're going to go jump into these very dangerous videos. Obviously, we're familiar with Flip That Coin. We actually are familiar a little bit with Energy also. We were meaning to hold off on it. But we saw a performance, a comeback performance that they did of it in our 3-year stream. So we've heard the song. This isn't our first time hearing it, but it is our first time seeing the special performance video.
See if we can get through this without Free calling a bias.
God, can y'all hold the hell up a second? I didn't even press play.
No.
No.
They need to get this show on the road.
No, they don't. I'm grabbing dumplings out the gate.
Okay.
Wow.
Great.
I don't care sad or too. Flip it. 나를 바라보는 시선을 넘어 계속 만들어낸 우리의 드라마. 끝이 없을 것만 같던 모험속. Yeah, that's we gon' make it. 반복되는 패턴 속에 갇혀. Turn and run away. 문제를 계속 맞춰. 빠르게 더 다르게 more 쏟아지는 fail. 정답은 바로 위험 속에.
Okay. Cool.
Oh, God.
Nope, you're not making it.
Oh, God. I love his hair. Oh, wow.
my
Real quick, I'm just... Damn it, my space bar does not want to work right now. I just want to go back to the chorus again real quick, just for science. For science, okay? That's all, for science. God, I love the choreo for this too. No, we do not need like the neck tattoo thing too. No. Ooh. That was smooth. Oh god. Ooh. Well then, I'm sorry. I just for science, okay, for science. We gonna just. This is a lot already. This is a hell of a lot. This. This is only the first video too. God. I swear to God, Dan's hips are illegal. Okay.
Oh my god.
You alright? You alright? Alright.
No. Take me out, and sir, it is unnecessary.
If I gotta go down, you gotta go down too.
No.
Yes.
That's not how this works.
This is exactly how it works. Besties die together. Oh god. Wow. Don't walk at me like that, sir. Oh god.
Why are we adding water? Why are we adding water?
Why?
Louis, I swear to God, if you do not keep your tongue in your mouth. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I kid you not, the weather jumped like 3 degrees. It is like pushing 80 right now, and I'm it's all y'all's fault.
It's like 90 and humid up in this bitch, okay? Oh my god. Like I said, I have an issue, and then I have several other issues, and everybody just wants to act up, and this is not okay.
Yeah, but only one of them's making you go, oh my god. So you might as well just call it.
That's not true. I've done that over Louis and Arthur too. So and Muujin. I've done that over them too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not been as loud.
Why did we have to add the water? Goodness gracious. Good God. See? Wow. Good God, Arthur. issues. We just need to get kicked right in the face. Thank you, Arthur.
Sure.
Damn. Y'all need to calm the hell down. That was a whole hell of a lot. That was a whole hell of a lot. See, I think my issues or the reason I haven't called anything is I'm like, I really need some like more like personality type content. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, I'm also like, yeah, but do you really though? Probably not. Anyways, we still have energy to do. So yay. The comeback stage performance we saw for this was that damn near took us out. So do we need lyrics for this? No, we don't need have them anyways. That's probably for the best. I'm not sure I'd be able to pay attention. Arthur, you do not need to be so aggressive right out the gate, sir.
Great.
Oh, God. Sir, does your shirt have to be that tight, though? That move is so good.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. They're like, we just have to go so hard for this album and take everyone out. No, you don't get it. This is too much. Oh, God.
Bring it back, nigga. Tad, what next? Got that, 돌릴 수 있다면 I'll be okay. 안개 속에 가려진 너의 아름다운 scene 다시 보여줄래 너 없이 I can't do anything. 눈을 가려도 I see alright. 거짓 싫어도 I be alright. 멈춰버린 나의 세상을.
Ooh. Oh,
That
wow.
was. Oh God.
Wow. Wow. That was a lot. Louis was like, we gonna do all the roles, and it's wow.
Right, I was being professional and hella impressed with this choreo move here, and he was just like, "No, thirst only, thirst only." I'm like, that's not what I'm supposed to be doing, though.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh God. Wow. Oh God. Oh God. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it back.
Oh God.
That was all up in the camera.
All up in the camera. I really do love the choreo. Oof.
Let me dive to you. Come inside.
Ooh.
Okay.
Wow. Did you have to get early like that? That was. Oof.
You're an update.
Oh boy. I thought flip that coin was aggressive, and they were like, no, this is aggressive.
Right?
It almost feels like, in a way, for some of them, like they've been wanting or waiting to do this kind of concept or sound or something, because they went all out.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
damn.
I love this concept. I love this comeback. It's just been really, really fun.
Mm-hmm.
Totally different than what they've usually been putting out.
Yeah.
So,
Which I loved
like
what
it.
they've put out before too, you know.
Oh,
But
yeah.
it's nice to get a kind of a change up, and to get to see just different sides of them, and to have them almost kind of be like a, yes, we can do this kind of concept too, you
Right.
know.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. It just rounds them out more.
Yes.
Because I love their old stuff and their old concepts as well. But this just really rounds them out, going like, wow, they really are just kings.
Yeah, that's yep. I don't want to call anything like officially, because that is the scared, but I'm like, I think my bias is Dan. Pretty sure, but I'm also like, yeah, I know, big shocker. But I'm also like, it's just, I get nervous calling biases nowadays, because I'm like, someone's gonna wind up doing something to make me be like, what is he though? Arthur's a hella big issue too.
Right. No, I get it, because your issues are the same issues I have, because I struggle with like Dan and Arthur and Mugen
Yeah,
and Louis.
and those are my
obviously.
4 issues.
Yeah.
Those are my 4 issues right there.
Yeah. Which obviously Louis is my bias.
Mhm.
If y'all didn't notice, but the other 3 are huge issues. So
Yeah.
I do get it.
But yeah, no, I'm with you. Those are my 4 major issues. But I'm pretty sure Dan's bias. Pretty sure. Does that count as calling it?
I don't know. It's almost there. We're almost there.
We're almost there. Oh god.
There's certain KCordy, now that you know where to hone it in at, we'll get it.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Like
You
I
know
said, I
who
was
you
already
are.
attacked this morning with pictures. They were like, so have you caught it? And then it was like issues, pictures of issues all down the chat, and I was like, thanks.
But now you let her know where to focus. And boy will she. So
Facts.
because
How do you think we got here? She sent me a whole bunch of like fan cams. I was like, one day I was like, man, I don't know how I got caught up in watching fan cams of Arthur and Dan one day, but I like put it in chat, and she was like, oh, that's what you. I got you. Sent me a whole list. I was so done for. After watching that, I was like, these now bigger issues than they were 5 minutes ago. Awesome.
Right? Yeah. Because before Louis was my bias, I was like, man, I don't know. It's hard. But like Louis a lot, and she was it was just like this good to know moment, and then all of a sudden there's no Louis everywhere.
That's how Louis became an issue for me. Was you got bombarded so much, I kept seeing it that I was like, damn, Louis.
Louis be a lot.
Louis be a lot. Oh god. But yeah, I don't know. Something Dan just there's
Dada Dan.
Yup. Yeah. Anyways, we'll go ahead and wrap this up, 'cause I'm so dead enough already today. But hopefully you all enjoyed this as much as we did, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Stop.
Oh, wow!
You don't have to make every song a hoe song,
Yes, he
sir.
does! Yes, he does!
Oh my god! That's a 5 out of 5 chili peppers! Good job!
I need you to not be so toxic. It makes me look so bad.
Oh my god!
The little wetsuits are so cute! Wait a minute! That's a ladle!
These guys are gonna have nightmares after this.
Right?
With Homie just running with safety.
Oh my god!
I thought you was leaving. Now you saying you gonna be right back? Yes! Yes!
나도 사랑.
Oh god! Oh my god! Get it? Girl. Why
I don't
not?
blame you! Oh my god!
What is going on?
I don't know.
Chungstick is like, you guys don't talk about me enough. And it's
I'm
like, we will
sorry.
start!
No!
Oh my god!
Wow!
It's just right up in the camera. I need you to get off my face!
Oh my god! This was hilarious!
He's like, where's our manager?
But he didn't have to go that. He didn't have to go that high with his shirt.
This is the performance I wanted you to see like a year ago.
To get the juice, giving you.
Wait, what? Right there.
Stop! Stop!
See?
What?
Fantasy.
See?
See? She's like, you heard me.
I love her. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Look at the cat's face!
Oh my god!